Kia ora all. In this video, I want to briefly explain the audit process, which is a super painful period for school staff. You've got auditors asking repetitive and inconsistent questions, audit staff changing often, some auditors choosing to come into schools while others try to do the audit virtually, and so on. I was an ex-schools auditor, now schools accountant. I'll walk you through how we've made it so school staff are spending around 95% less time during the audit process in comparison to schools with other accountants. It starts with the tools that we use versus other accountants. Other accountants prepare year-end financial statements using what's called the Kiwi Park model. It's this huge Excel spreadsheet with dozens of interconnected tabs and formulas all linked together, whereas we've built our own software, which automates the preparation. We built it while being part of FinTech Ignite, one of New Zealand's leading FinTech accelerators run by Creative HQ, the same accelerator program with alumni like Sharesies. We also collaborated, formally and informally, with several school audit firms, school accountants, and school office staff. I love using analogies, and I love cars, so I'll use both to show the difference visually. Imagine taking your car in for a warrant. The manual, Excel-based process is like having a person check each part of the car by hand, the tyres, the brakes, the engine, whereas with us, you plug your car into a diagnostics tool and it checks everything for you in seconds. The mechanic then spends more time analysing the results and focusing on other areas where you actually get the benefit. So, the second step, why does this all matter? On the manual side, preparing financial statements for a single school takes an accountant anywhere from 15 to 40 hours. Now scale that up. If an accounting firm has 100 schools on their books, that's an average of around 27.5 hours per school, which works out to be about 2,750 hours just preparing financial statements. On our side, using our own software we built, that same job takes 1 to 2 hours per school. Scaled up to 100 schools, that's about 150 hours compared to 2,750. So we're talking about saving up to 38 hours per school just by using a different tool. And that time saving flows straight into audit preparation. On the manual side, accountants often need extra time to explain their workings, fix errors, and respond to auditor queries. And it's not just the accountant's time. School office staff get pulled in too, often answering repetitive, inconsistent questions from auditors. Now on our side, we not only automated the preparation of our school's financial statements, but we also went beyond that, building audit-specific work papers, basically the answers the auditors are looking for. We were able to do this because we collaborated with school audit firms directly during the software build, and I was a school auditor myself for 4 years. Because it takes us as an accounting business far less time to prepare the financials, which gives us more time to work directly with auditors so they don't come to schools, plus the fact that we can give the auditors auditor-specific work papers, schools with Kura Accounting see about 95% fewer audit queries. If you're a school currently tired of the slow, repetitive audit process and want it to run a lot more smoothly, feel free to flick us an email. We can arrange a call or I can come on site.